हाँ जी रेडी। देखें, in accordance with the agreement for establishment of Jordan Pakistan Joint Ministerial Commission signed by the two governments in 1975, the 19th session of the Jordan Pakistan Joint Ministerial Commission was held on April 29, 2015 in Amman, full stop. Ministry of Commerce, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, headed the Pakistan delegation, full stop. The Jordanian delegation was headed by Ministry of Industry, Trade and Supply, Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, and Ministry of Commerce, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, headed the Pakistan delegation, full stop. The composition of Pakistani and Jordanian delegations hereinafter referred to as sides is at Annex 1 and Annex 2 respectively, full stop. The working session of the 19th JMC took place in an atmosphere of cordiality and friendship, reflecting close ties between the two countries, forcing on the mayors to explore cooperation in the fields of bilateral trade, agriculture, investment, education, science and technology, industry and petroleum and national resources, full stop. During his stay in Amman, Ministry of Commerce called on Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Jordan, Ministry of Industry, Trade and Supply of Kingdom of Jordan, President of Jordan Chamber of Commerce and President of Amman Chamber of Commerce, and discussed wide-ranging issues of mutual interest, full stop. During the session, four memorandum of understanding slash agreements were signed in the fields of trade, investment, standard and metrology and ports and shipping, full stop. A list of MOUs slash agreements is placed at Annex 3, full stop. Both delegations thoroughly discussed issues in bilateral trade relations, and after extensive discussions on various issues, agreed on the manual agenda of 9th session and proceeded for deliberations of 19th session, detailed as under, and agreed on the following points, full stop. The two sides reviewed existing bilateral commercial and economic relations, full stop. They noted that the volume of trade between the two countries had increased, full stop. Nevertheless, both sides acknowledged that the present volume of bilateral trade is far beyond the potential of the two countries, and stressed the need for measures to enhance trade relations, full stop. They also recognized the need to diversify the basket of goods traded, full stop. Pakistan side offered the export of non-traditional goods, furniture, handicrafts, carpets, सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट कोमा लेदर comma pharmaceutical products which are cost effective for Jordan full stop. The Jordanian side offered export of fertilizer to Pakistan full stop. Both sides agreed to encourage their businessmen for enhancement of bilateral trade in non-traditional sectors full stop. Both sides appreciated signing of cooperation agreement between the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan under bracket TDAP and the Jordanian Investment Commission under bracket JIC, and agreed to prepare a roadmap for organizing trade fairs and exhibitions in Pakistan and Jordan full stop. Both sides noted the importance of free trade agreement under bracket FTA between the two countries for enhancement of bilateral trade full stop. It was mutually agreed that both parties will begin negotiating the PTA leading to FIA at a later stage full stop. Jordanian side agreed to send their delegation to visit Pakistan as early as possible on mutually agreed dates full stop. रीड कर लें इसको.